Asian the doll, aka Asian brat, and her dingy ass, whole ass ways. Again, at what point do we learn these lessons? I don't know. She's literally online, like being upset and going off on some dude who she was kissing, baby mama, because the girl told him that she's tired of him. Okay, she tried to spare him the other day. She asked him to take him off this page. And then she saw he was in Asian the Brat's photos, kissing her, whatever. And from what I gathered, baby mama was addressing baby daddy. Asian the Brat want to take it upon herself to try to disrespect the girl. Why? Because she's a whore and upset that people are calling her by her name. Look at the kiss. I'm over it. Listen to a little bit of what she has to say.
Been chilling. But bitch, don't you ever post me with your slut thought ass BD bitch. Deal with it, hoe. Deal with it, bitch. Posting me with other bitches talking about some, oh, I got more. Bitch, suck my dick. How about that, bitch? I would go buy a motherfucking watch, a car, and a crib on you right now, bitch. Fuck around with you, you fucking lame ass bitch. Your nigga's a slut. Deal with it, bitch. And I don't want him. Never did want him, bitch. Because trust me, if Asian girl wanted him, bitch, he would have never even been with you. And I don't even like niggas that's short, black, and ugly. Fuck around with you, bitch. Don't nobody want him but you. And clearly, he don't even want you. You whack ass bitch. You runaway ass bitch. You should have took your ass home when your mother and your sister warned you about this nigga. Bitch, you come to trying to play in the field with real niggas. Bitch, and look at your ass getting played. Lame ass bitch. Whack ass bitch. Miserable ass bitch. You got a kid, bitch. Go be a mother. You ever heard worrying about what a nigga doing? It's beyond that. Go be a mother, hoe. Girl, you talking about this and this and that. Girl, he's an eater. 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 Bitch. Lizard. Long tongue eater, bitch. Fuck you talking about. Eater. Bitch. Eater. Like, disgusting eater, too. Bitch. You whack ass bitch. I would never in my life get on no app and mention no bitch that my nigga got in his phone as looking better, doing better than me. Are you crazy? Are you fucking cockeyed, bitch? You slow or something, bitch? You don't got common sense. I hate dealing with bitches even like this. Like, y'all bitches get a nigga like this and just don't know how to act, bitch. Like, fall in line, bitch. You go with a nigga who thinks he's a pimp. Hoe. You're a hoe. I don't give a fuck how many kids you push out, bitch. It's just not clicking. Like, this is the type of nigga that you decided to have a child with. Hoe, deal with it.
The real gag is that she's at least stuck with him looking stupid with a baby. You're literally Asian the doll, whatever, Asian doll, literally is like a beautiful girl who keeps flushing herself down the fucking toilet. Keep looking like a side piece ass and have people able to say these things about her. Like, my dude, like, I get it. I get that you're mad that people are not making these men accountable for them cheating on their girlfriends, wives, and baby mamas with you. But karma is a biatch. Okay, and all of this papa locking is gonna hit you real hard when your ass fall in love with somebody for real. Like, it ain't the girl's fault that he's trash. It's kind of your fault for knowing that he has a baby mama, but you effing with him anyway, right? It's a lot of these dudes, you know, they have somebody and you're engaging with them anyway. We get it. They're fuckboys. Duh. But what does that make you? I don't know, y'all. Y'all let me know. I'm tired of her. I'm tired of her. I'm tired of all other women that want to act like they dumb and like just deal with the shit. You want to be out here thotting it up, having fun, okay? And whoever, if that man is attached to somebody, she's gonna have something to say about it. Shut the fuck up.